Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about a new product by the brand Paula's Choice. Those of you who have been following me, you would know that I am a big fan of Paula's Choice. If you are new to skincare or clinical skincare and you're looking for a genuinely good skincare brand to start out your skincare journey, I highly recommend Paula's Choice. The ingredients in her products are well researched. All her anti-aging products contain genuinely skin transforming, skin changing ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, niacinamide. So you are in very safe hands. The other thing that I really like about Paula's Choice is her prices are really decent. Her prices just sit in between the more budget skincare line and the really high end and make it really affordable for you to purchase genuinely well curated skincare products. This new one here, she calls it her triple action treatment serum, is no exception. So as the name of the product says, triple action, which means it contains three powerful active ingredients. The three powerful ingredients in this product is hexaresorcinol, and then it's got the 5% niacinamide, and then it's got the retinol propionate. So this product contains 0.3% retinol propionate. Retinol propionate is possibly the weakest of all the retinol products, because it is a retinol ester. So it is quite weak. So it shouldn't cause any skin irritation, redness whatsoever, but still gives you a little bit of retinol benefits. And then you've got the 5% niacinamide. Niacinamide is your all-rounder. I call it the all-rounder safe ingredient. It is a hydrator. It is a skin healer, skin soother, and niacinamide also evens out skin tone. And then the most powerful ingredient in this product is the 0.4% hexaresorcinol. Now, hexaresorcinol is actually an ingredient that is found in the brand of rye. Yeah, found in cereals. And it has been used for a long time in food industries as an anti-browning ingredient. So it whitens products. And in cosmetics, in laboratory studies, they found that 0.5% of hexaresorcinol works just like 2% hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is an ingredient that has been used by dermatologists or plastic surgeons to treat very severe or highly pigmented skin. I haven't tried it myself, and I'm not so willing to try it because it's got very serious side effects. Another study has found that 0.4% hexaresorcinol, which is what Paula's has got here, combined with a 3% niacinamide, it's got 5% here, delivers a superior skin brightening and skin lightening effect. And the lightening and brightening effect was as good as using hydroquinone. Standard Paula's Choice packaging, 30 ml. As you can see, the serum has got a peachy color. There's a soft peachy tone. It's quite watery. It's a beautiful, beautiful serum to use. And there is a slight scent. There's a slight, what I call medical scent. Of course, Paula's Choice products doesn't contain any perfume or fragrance or alcohol. So whatever you're smelling here is the ingredients of the product. If it does miracles for your skin, I don't mind putting up with a little bit of medical scent. It's got a slight oily tone because it's got some fruit seed oil in it. And I could tell you now, this product does work. I've seen my very, very stubborn sunspot, age spot, and dark spot really breaking up. Since using this product in combination with my nighttime Retinaldehyde, I have seen a huge, huge improvement in my melasma patches. Really, my skin has not looked as good. Really, I'm just really love this product, and I highly recommend it. So this is what you call your pigmentation serum, something that you use in the daytime. And at night, of course, you use your retinol or retinaldehyde. The other ingredients in this product, you've got glycerin, rice bran oil, chestnut leaf extract, and a whole lot of mixing ingredients. So it doesn't have a whole lot of other anti-aging ingredients besides those three powerful lightening ingredients. This is 30 mils for 78 Australian dollars, works out to be about 85 New Zealand dollars. For such a genuinely well-curated and effective anti-pigmentation serum that actually works for your skin, and under 100 bucks. I mean, you really can't beat this. If you're dealing with serious stubborn dark spots and age spots, I highly recommend this, and you use this as your daytime serum, and at night you can use your retinol or retinaldehyde, and the combination of your retinol or retinaldehyde with this will break up those stubborn pigmented spots or patches of melasma. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!